I liked religious tradition. I had very mixed relationship with Hebrew school. When I had teachers that I didn't like, I would fight tooth and nail not to go. And when I had teachers that I liked, I continued. And I continued on through Hebrew high school. And I still keep a kosher kitchen. There was something about Yiddishkayt and Jewishness, maybe because of the theater, or maybe because of my grandparents, or maybe just because of who I am, I don't know, that I always felt there was something sort of like a gift. And like with most gifts, you don't have to always like the gift, but somehow it's a gift that you should honor and treasure. And so I've always felt like I needed to maintain this tradition. And I've had ongoing relationships, and it's an always evolving sensibility of my connection. But that sense of, is it good for the Jews or bad for the Jews, that's so, the old jokes about it, I get that, and it certainly informs a lot of my own decisions about things, that there are boundaries, that when something's bad for the Jews, it's just bad. And it was like growing up, I didn't know, used to think that Wonder Bread wasn't kosher, because when we would go to the grocery store as a little kid, my mother would just say of non-kosher food, like if there was a ham, she would say, Jewish people don't eat that. So when I looked at Wonder Bread and she said, Jewish people don't eat that, I didn't know it was because Jewish people don't eat Wonder Bread. It was like, oh, maybe it's not kosher.